everyone, I am Kelly Schaffner. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you've joined me today for another unboxing. I just want to introduce the puppy behind me is Cowboy. He is my oldest pet. He is 17 years old. He is blind, deaf, and a little bit senile. And so if you're ever wondering, all my puppies like to make appearances, but that's why he's kind of weird in some of these videos. Thank you for joining me. I hope that you will subscribe before you leave if you haven't done so already. If you tap that bell, you will be notified every single time I do an unboxing or a clothing haul. And I would sure like to have you visit with me again. Today I have really wonderful unbagging. I hope this is full of treasure. This is Nadine West, and Nadine West is a clothing subscription company. It's very, very affordable. That's one of the reasons I like it. I get some really funky, kind of cool stuff from Nadine West, and it never breaks the bank. With Nadine West, I went online. I filled out a very, very short style profile, and it was kind of just saying, do you like this? Yes or no? And then they send random things. You can also earn credit on Nadine West by doing reviews and posting on Facebook, which I keep saying I'm going to do and I haven't done yet. But here is our pink bag this month, and it looks a little bit smaller than the last few months. So generally they send 4 to 6 items, and there's only a little bit of tape on this, so I think I can get into it without scissors. You do save the bag with Nadine West because if you want to return anything, you have to use this same pink bag. First bundle, we have something navy blue and olive green, and then I see the strings to a little jewelry bag. Second bundle looks like fall colors. We have gray and maroon. So, okay, let's do this one first because it does not look as promising to me. Okay, the first thing we have is maroon, and oh my gosh, what is this? This, I guess, is a shirt, a really big shirt. This is not going to be a dress. This is by Zanana Premium. They send a lot of stuff from Zanana Premium. So it's a wine-colored, burgundy-colored t-shirt type top. It feels like really nice quality, but it's got that peplum. So I don't know. I don't know about that because I've got big hips. I don't need anything to accent those big hips. But we'll see how that works. Then we've got another, this is just a lightweight heather gray cardigan by Popular 21, and super lightweight. Oh gosh, it's got, what is that? It's got slits way up the side, so that should be very interesting. Next bundle, we have, the first thing we have is the olive green. Ooh, this side is looking promising. It is a V-neck t-shirt with the black stripes on the sleeves. So, and it's got a pocket. Can you see the pocket there? This is by Bazzolo. Okay, I like that one. And I think we got some more leggings. Yes, from the Legging Depot because I love their leggings. You know what? I am very pleased. They sent navy blue. This is a navy blue and white, or yeah, it's white print. So, okay, I love their leggings. They are typically $19.99. The last pair that I got in my last bag were like 17 something. So I was really happy about that, and I hope these ones are on sale as well. Jewelry. And first we're gonna go for these hoop earrings, which feel very lightweight. So I don't know if you can see those. They're silver in color, and it looks like they have some bling. Of course, it's fake bling. You know what? This actually looks like something that I wear and have. I don't know, those are pretty big, but yeah, I have lots of big bling earrings. So the next thing we have is by Fashion Leader. Looks like a bracelet. So I don't know how I'm going to get into that, but I'll try everything on. Oh, Nadine, I'm going to pull my hair out. Just check this out. This is weird. This is the Zanana Premium top, and it's just weird to me with this peplum. Look how large it is. You know what? It's a great fit in the arms. And I like the neckline on it, and the fabric of this blouse is dreamy. It feels high quality. There's just so much of it. This is a size medium. I'll show you how it looks. I paired it with my denim skirt from Trunk Club. It might look better with some leggings, and I can't imagine myself wearing this blouse anywhere other than to kick around in the house, and I have plenty of stuff just to kick around in the house. So I think this is a no for me. This is just very odd, and I think the sizing is getting weird with Nadine West. Okay, before we talk about the clothing, we'll talk about these earrings. You guys can see them. I'm wearing them for the whole try on. So, you know what? They're cute. I have them. Almost the exact same earrings. Mine are a little bit bigger, and you know, I believe I bought these around 2010. That's kind of what this reminds me of. This jewelry seems a little bit dated. I still wear these. I probably wear them about once a year. And let me show you the bracelet. I kind of like the bracelet. It is just an elastic bracelet. It's silver in color, but it's very lightweight. It feels cheap. That doesn't bother me. Just contingent on the price if I'll purchase this, because I do think it's a fun piece that I would wear. Now, this is not necessarily an outfit. I just put it on to show you everything. And here is the cardigan. This is weird. These cuts all the way up to here are weird, and you can see they're placed a little bit further in the back. I did think about, well, let's just tie them and see how that looks. And again, it's weird, right? Is it just weird fashion, or I just need to get with it? This is another odd piece, although it has a nice feeling. It's very soft, very lightweight. Not for me. It's just strange. I really like this top. Again, I think it's too big. This is a size large, and I just think it's a little bit too big for me. I would prefer my clothes a little bit more fitted. There's just a lot of room, and from Legging Depot, they feel great. They're super high-waisted. I noticed this is a one-size legging. Is there such a thing? There's a lot of room in these. These are super, super comfortable. The most comfortable leggings I've ever worn. I have purchased 3 pairs to date from Nadine West. Don't know if I need another pair. In fact, I'm pretty certain I don't. Going into the summer season, I won't be wearing leggings. Let's take a look at the prices and recap this. This bag was a dud for me. Just not real happy with anything in this bag. The bracelet is my favorite piece, but I'm still not real crazy about it. Skirt the Line top in wine is $20.49. The next one, For the Win in green, this top, is $27.99. And I would consider this top if it was a better fit. It is just too large, and I don't have to buy clothing that is ill-fitting. I don't have to. I get a lot of subscription boxes, and someone will send me something that fits correctly, and I will wait for that product. The next thing we have is, they call this the Cape Cardigan in gray. This is $29.99, and this piece is just weird to me. Maybe it's trendy. It's not my thing. Then we have the deep freeze blue leggings. The price of these leggings are $22.99, and that seems crazy to me because I just don't think leggings are a typical summer style, and I certainly won't be wearing them through the summer, so I'm going to pass on the leggings because of the time of year. These are a great legging, though. The next we have the Glitz and Glam hoop earrings. These are $13.99, and you know what? I feel like you could probably pick these up at Forever 21 or Claire's, if they even have them on the shelves any longer, because these are almost vintage. These, I just don't know if they're trendy at this time. That's just how I feel about them, and I own them. And the bracelet in fine sterling silver, that's what they call it. It is $16.99. I do not believe that this is a silver bracelet. I don't know what it's made out of, but it feels cheap. It is cute. $16.99. I don't know. That seems high to me as well. I do have a $5 credit because I took a survey for Nadine West, so they offered me a $5 credit. However, it says credits don't roll over, so I have to use that $5 on something out of this shipment. So, I don't know. I also was upgraded to a VIP. I don't know how I did that, or I didn't do anything. They just sent me an email saying that I was now a VIP. So I'm feeling special. But what that means is that I no longer have to pay for any shipping fees. So I can send everything back on their dime, which is a good thing. I'm glad that happened before this shipment because I'm just not feeling it. And I love Nadine West. I get so happy when I see that bright pink bag in my mailbox because I usually score 1 or 2 pieces that are just a lot of fun and inexpensive, but I also feel like their prices have gone up a little. You know what? I will send everything back this time and hope for a better shipment next month. It does tell me that I can go to the website and offer feedback, and they maybe they're listening because they did not send me anything in black, which I put several times. No more black, no more black. And so I'm happy about that, but their sizing seems to be off. I have not changed my sizes because my sizes have not changed since I started doing Nadine West. So I'll take a look at that. I'll offer feedback. I'll look forward to my next month's Nadine West. If you would like to try Nadine West, I have received a lot of great stuff. I will link my past videos and you can check those out if you want to try for yourself. I'll leave a code in the description box that you can use to try Nadine West, and your first shipment, the shipping fee will be waived, so you can try it basically risk-free if you would like to do that. So thank you so much for joining me for an unbagging of Nadine West. You gotta give this video a thumbs up, hook a girl up, subscribe if you haven't already. I would like to see you again. I have another video coming out in 2 days. Please look for that. Thank you again. Blessings to you.